Hello everyone, welcome to Science Express. Now let's start current affair capsule, daily current affair, July, day 6. Recently, which of the following country has become the first nation in Southeast Asia to legalize same-sex marriage after its Senate approved a marriage equity bill? The name of the country is Thailand, and Thailand it is a third country legalized the same-sex marriage. Okay, after Taiwan and Nepal. Okay, last year approved it Nepal and 2019 approved by the Taiwan. And Thailand and India conduct a military exercise. Name of the military exercise is Maitri. Okay, recently ASEAN summit will be took place in Laos. The capital of Laos is Vientiane. Okay. Now कौन से कंट्री ने सेम सेक्स मैरिज लीगलाइज कर दिया है? नेम ऑफ द कंट्री इज थाईलैंड. Recently, which of the following organization has partnered with MasterCard to promote cooperations and information sharing in the area of cyber security related to the financial sector? The name of the organization is SARTIN. Okay. Indian Computer Emergency Response Team, SART-IN. It works under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Now, who is the minister for this? Ashwini Vaishnav, and he is also Railway Minister. Now MasterCard partner with SARTIN. The headquarter is New Delhi. Okay. MasterCard किसके साथ पार्टनर किया है? SARTIN के साथ. Recently, which of the following countries has become the first country in the world to establish a military branch dedicated to drone system? किस कंट्री ने एक मिलिट्री ब्रांच तैयार किया है ड्रोन सिस्टम के लिए? Name of the country is Ukraine. Okay, that is unmanned system forces. Okay, now drone is very important in the modern warfare. Ukraine launched a spokesperson AI chatbot. Name of the chatbot is Victoria. Okay, now what is the capital of Ukraine? That is Kiev. Kiev, and it is the largest city of Ukraine. Now who is the president of Ukraine? Volodymyr Zelensky. तो कौन से कंट्री ने मिलिट्री ब्रांच एक एस्टेब्लिश किया ड्रोन सिस्टम के लिए? द नेम ऑफ द कंट्री इज यूक्रेन. Recently, scientists of which of the following countries have created meaty rice? Okay, it is the innovative rice grain infused with the cultured beef cell. Okay, name of the country is South Korea. South Korea के साइंटिस्ट मीठी राइस प्रोड्यूस किया है लैब में. Okay, South Korea recently established its first space agency. Name of the agency is KASA. Okay, the full form is Korean Aerospace Administrations. Okay, and NASA for the USA and JAXA for Japan. Okay, JAXA it is a space agency of Japan, and we know that ISRO is a space agency of India. Okay, ISRO established in 1969 and headquarter Bangalore. South Korea recently organized Winter Youth Olympics in Gangneung City in this year 2024. And who is the country in top medal tally? Name of the country is Italy. Okay, and South Korea recently launched their satellite Neon Sat 1. Okay, Neon Sat 1. So South Korea recently produced किया है meaty rice. Okay, and it contain more protein compared to other food. Okay, and near about 8% more protein. Recently, astronomers using the James Webb Space Telescope have discovered ASN 2023 ADSY. Now what is ASN 2023 ADSY? It is a supernova. Okay, ये क्या है? ये एक सुपरनोवा है. Okay, this is the most distant supernova ever detected. Okay, and oldest supernova recorded REW 86. Okay, and James Webb Telescope launched by NASA in 2021. Okay, International Labour Organization ILO has held its 112th annual conference in which city? It took place in Geneva, Switzerland. Okay, and mainly And Ministry of Labor and Employment launched a portal called eShram portal for unorganized sector like gig workers. This is our flagship program. Now, who is the Ministry for Labor and Employment? The name of the person is Dr. Mansukh Mandavia. Okay, so the answer is स्विट्जरलैंड. कहाँ पर ये मीटिंग ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ था? स्विट्जरलैंड, जेनेवा. Which of the following state has bagged first rank award for highest wind power installed capacity? Okay, wind, it is a renewable energy sources. Wind, solar, it is a renewable energy sources. Now name of the state is Gujarat. Okay, capacity about 11,823 megawatt. Okay, and second Tamil Nadu 10,743 megawatt, and third Karnataka 6,312 megawatt. Now what about the solar energy? The top state is Rajasthan and second Gujarat. Highest wind power installed Gujarat and solar energy Rajasthan. Now tell me, who is the CM of Gujarat? The answer is Bhupendra Bhai Patel, and Governor Acharya Devvrat, and capital of the Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Okay. Which of the following international financial institution has approved India with loan 170 million US dollar to improve its healthcare system? Name of the organization is ADB. Okay, Asian Developmental Bank, its headquarters Manila, Philippines. Okay, ADB approved 170 million loans for India its improve its healthcare system. ADB ने 170 मिलियन लोन अप्रूव किया है इंडिया को अपनी हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए. Who among the following has assumed the charge as chairman of Indian Institute of Public Administration? Name of the person is Dr. Jitendra Singh. Dr. Jitendra Singh हमारे साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी मिनिस्टर भी है. Okay, and it is located in New Delhi, set up in 1954. Okay. Now, who is S. Somnath? Is a chairman of ISRO. ISRO chairman is Somnath. Okay. Recently, Neeraj Chopra won gold medal in javelin at Paavo Nurmi Games. These games held in which country? Name of the country is Finland. Okay. Name of the country is Finland. Finland top in Sustainable Developmental Goal Index. Okay, and India rank is 109. Finland got top position, top rank हासिल किया है सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंटल गोल इंडेक्स में, और इंडिया का जो रैंक है वो है 109. ओके, एंड नीरज चोपड़ा इज ए ओलंपिक गोल्ड मेडल विनर. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब साइंस एक्सप्रेस. थैंक यू.